If you're new to the language and haven't learned the alphabet yet, there's one best way to help you master it in an hour or less. And it's not an app or some video course. What is it? Keep watching. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. The fastest, easiest, and most obvious way to learn the alphabet. So, what's the best and most obvious way? Well, nowadays you'll see different kinds of resources online just for learning the alphabet. There's flashcards, apps, video lessons. But the best way to learn the alphabet is always going to be by simply practicing writing the letters out. Sounds obvious, but in this digital age, writing things out isn't the first thing most people think of. Most people generally reach for an app or Google for it. Ironically, those ways are slower than writing things out. Simply put, if you're writing things out, you're engaging multiple senses, and you'll remember everything better than just swiping around on an app and only looking at the letters. You're actually practicing and producing the language. So if you're about to start learning the language, you should keep this in mind. It'll take you way less time. Now, of course, your next questions may be how and what should I use? How to get our alphabet workbook for free, if you follow these steps. This is where our alphabet PDF workbook comes in, which you can get for free on our site. So, just 1, click the link in the description. 2, sign up for a free lifetime account. 3, once you have your account, come back to the link above, or just click the link in the description and the PDF workbook will be unlocked. And 4, download and print out the workbook. That's it. That's all you need to do to get started and master the alphabet. How to learn the alphabet in 1 hour or less. Once you print out the PDF, just write the characters in the provided spaces. Again, by physically writing things out, you learn faster because you're engaging more senses. And you can also print several copies of the same workbook for extra practice. Once you're done, be sure to immediately move on to reading and writing. This will help cement the alphabet into your brain. And don't worry if you struggle remembering 1 or 2 letters. The rest comes from reading and writing practice. If you want to jump into reading, check our extensive reading books inside the lesson library. The absolute beginner books are simple 1 or 2 words per page books that will get you going. If you want to practice writing, make sure you're signed up to our email list. We email out writing workbooks and cheat sheets every week. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Indonesian PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hi everybody, welcome back to IndonesianPod101.com with me, Blanca. Jumpa lagi dengan saya, Blanca. Today, I'm excited to tell you about a carnival that started from this gorgeous piece of cloth in the island of Sumatra. Sawahlunto International Songket Silungkang Carnival. Sawahlunto International Songket Silungkang Carnival in September in Indonesia.
Sawahlunto International Songket Silungkang Carnival in September in Indonesia by IndonesianPod101.com.
Let me tell you about one of the most unique and vibrant events in Indonesia that happens every September. The Sawahlunto International Songket Silungkang Carnival. It's a hidden gem in the Indonesian tourist scene, and if you're interested in culture, fashion, and festivals, this is something you will definitely want to know about. What is the Sawahlunto Songket Silungkang Carnival? The carnival is an annual cultural event held in Sawahlunto, a historic town in West Sumatra. What makes this carnival stand out is its celebration of Songket Silungkang, a traditional hand-woven fabric made from gold or silver threads intricately combined with silk or cotton. the songket has been a part of West Sumatran culture for centuries, and the carnival showcases these beautiful textiles in ways that will leave you amazed. The star of the show, yes, is songket silungkang. You will see the songket silungkang not just as fabric, but transform into magnificent costumes and accessories. Imagine models walking down the street wearing stunning outfits, each one a work of art. Every songket tells a story with patterns and design passed down through generations, reflecting the local culture, values, and even nature. What's so cool is that this event isn't just about fashion, it's about preserving history. The songket has been made in the town of Silungkang for hundreds of years, and the carnival helps keep this tradition alive. You'll be amazed at how detailed and complex these weaves are, with gold and silver threads shining in the sunlight as the parade through the town. One of the best parts of the carnival is how it combines traditional culture with modern elements. The parade includes not only models wearing the songket, but also performances by dancers, musicians, and local artists. The music, a blend of traditional West Sumatran sounds with contemporary beats, will make you want to get up and dance. The streets of Sawahlunto come alive with energy. There's color, movement, and excitement everywhere. You'll see participants from various countries too, as the carnival has become a hub for international visitors and artists. It's a real mix of cultures, making it a unique celebration in Indonesia. The event is always held in September, a great time to visit Indonesia. The weather is still dry, making it perfect for outdoor festivities. Also, the timing coincides with the local harvest season, so you can experience some of the freshest and most delicious Indonesian food in the market stalls set up around the carnival. The carnival takes place in Sawahlunto, which is already an interesting destination on its own. It's known as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its old coal mining history. Walking through the town feels like stepping into a different era, with colonial era buildings still standing alongside the lively festival atmosphere. It's a mix of industrial history and vibrant culture, which makes visiting during the carnival even more special. You're thinking why you shouldn't miss it? Honestly, if you want to experience something truly authentic and culturally rich, the Sawahlunto International Songket Silungkang Carnival is a must. It's an event where tradition meets creativity, where the past is celebrated with a modern twist, and where you can experience the warm hospitality of the local people. Plus, it's not overrun by tourists yet, so you get more intimate and genuine experience. You can talk to the weavers, learn about their craft, and even buy a piece of songket to take home. And trust me, you will treasure it forever. It's not just a piece of fabric, it's a piece of Indonesian heritage. So if you're thinking about where to travel in September, put Sawahlunto on your list. You won't regret it. Here are some tips to go to this carnival. Rencanakan perjalananmu lebih awal. Rencanakan perjalananmu lebih awal. Plan your trip in advance. The carnival is held in September, so make sure to book your accommodation early as it's a busy time in Sawahlunto. Bawa uang tunai. Bawa uang tunai. Carry cash. Make sure to carry enough cash as credit cards are not widely accepted in smaller towns like Sawahlunto. Pakai baju yang nyaman. Pakai baju yang nyaman. Dress comfortably. While you'll see plenty of gorgeous songket outfits at the carnival, you'll want to dress in lightweight, breathable clothes and comfortable shoes for walking around. Bawa perlindungan dari matahari. Bawa perlindungan dari matahari. Bring sun protection. September can be hot. So bring sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses to stay comfortable during outdoor events. Berinteraksi dengan warga lokal. Berinteraksi dengan warga lokal. Engage with the locals. The people in Sawahlunto are very friendly and proud of their culture. Don't be shy to ask questions or take photos with them. Pelajari frasa bahasa Indonesia dasar. Pelajari frasa bahasa Indonesia dasar. Learn basic Indonesian phrases. While some people speak English, learning basic Indonesian phrases like terima kasih, thank you, or selamat pagi, good morning, will make your experience more enjoyable. Coba makanan lokal. Coba makanan lokal. Try local food. Don't miss out on trying the local dishes like rendang and nasi padang, which are famous in West Sumatra. Kunjungi tempat bersejarah. Kunjungi tempat bersejarah. Visit historical sites. Take some time to explore Sawahlunto's heritage sites like the Old Coal Mining Museum to get a deeper understanding of the town's history. Hormati budaya. Hormati budaya. Respect the culture. When attending the carnival, remember that songket is a symbol of heritage and pride. Treat the performances and exhibitions with respect. So, does this help convince you to come to Indonesia in September? Which one interests you the most? Or is there something shocking or confusing? Be sure to write it in the comment below. Keep practicing Indonesian and remember, go to IndonesianPod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Sampai jumpa lagi!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets. Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Talking About Your Week PDF conversation cheat sheet, where you'll master the days of the week and all the phrases needed to talk about your schedule. Download it now for free. Second, Halloween words you must know. Learn how to say scary, ghost, vampire, and much more with this 1-minute lesson. Third, want a bonus writing workbook? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You're also getting the bonus Halloween PDF writing workbook, yours free inside the free gifts of the month. Fourth, 40+ words for the most common fears. You'll learn how to say public speaking, needles, and much more in your target language. And fifth, the only language app that gets you speaking and understanding native speakers because it teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. Download the innovative language learning app for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.